What's up, guys? This is Jamie Cypress Winkler. I'm ending off this video for this burn. I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at how it's finished, and that's the way. That's all I can do. So I'm gonna flip it around. Whole pile gone, son. Whole pile gone. That's what we do. But yeah, there's the end of the video. Yeah, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. If you like it, subscribe. It's free. I appreciate y'all, man. Seriously. This has been a kind of a weird day for me. I don't know. The stuff wasn't going right. It was just, I don't know. It seemed like it wasn't going right, but it turned out okay. So yeah, if you would hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, getting off this video now. Appreciate y'all. You have a good one. Stay blessed.